Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you with another video of a new unboxing. I ordered a little bag here. It's my first bag order of 2024. I recently unboxed some shoes. That was my first purchase of 2024. But I have been thinking about getting this bag for a while now. It is a Louis Vuitton bag. So let me go ahead and unbox it and show you the bag and talk about why I decided to get it. So here's the inside of the Louis Vuitton bag. If you've ever ordered anything, it comes in a very plain box on the outside, but on the inside when you open it up, it does have that classic orange. And how cute is this little drawing here? And you'll have the Louis Vuitton logo inside. Now when you order online, it does give you the option to include a shopping bag now, and I opted to include that. This is great, especially if you want to order a gift for somebody. Valentine's Day is around the corner, so if you want to have like a nice gift presentation with that little orange bag, that is an option. I also got my box gift wrapped. So here we have the beautiful red ribbon, and I'm just so excited. If you can tell, it is a little bag. I'm just like struggling over here with this box. As you can tell, it is a little bag, and I'm just gonna pop that out right now. It also came with a little card in case you want to personalize this if it is a gift. And then here would be, I think, the receipts. Yes, so in this envelope, it's the receipt and the return label in case you do want to return the bag. Here is the Louis Vuitton box, and inside, let's see if this is in, yes, it's in a little dust bag. And I'm very excited for this bag. I've been eyeing this bag for a while now. I've been on the fence of if I wanted to get it or not, but it is the Pochette Metis in the East-West size. This is the first time I'm seeing it. I hadn't unboxed it before, so I just want to take a look at it, but it is so cute. I got it in the cream Empriente leather with, of course, the gold hardware. Now, I do own this bag in the original size in the canvas, and I love this little mini size in the canvas as well, and that was kind of why I was on the fence about it. I wasn't sure if I wanted to add it in this little mini size if I had the original size, but then I thought, you know what? I have the classic flap in different sizes, and I use them all, so why not the Pochette Metis? The Pochette Metis is one of my favorite bags, and having it in a mini I think is so cute. I opted for the Empriente leather and cream because, as I mentioned, I do already have the other one in canvas. I love this in the canvas though, but it's only like a $70 price difference, so not a big difference. I think this is a really great bag for Florida as well, so I'm excited to have it in my collection. Now this one also comes with a strap like the original Pochette Metis does. This is an adjustable strap. So as you can see, you can make it longer, you can make it shorter there, and it does attach via the D-rings here on the side. One of the things I like about this strap from Louis Vuitton is that the D-rings do go in a full circle, so you never get like caught up or tangled up, which is great. And then the thing that this bag features that the original size doesn't feature is you do get this additional gold chain. So if you want to use it like a shoulder bag or just have this hanging down and you have both the strap and the chain, and this is more like decorative, you have that option. But you can again attach this to the D-rings like so and have a little bit more versatility as far as having like a shoulder bag, a crossbody bag. But also I really love to carry my original Pochette Metis just like by the top handle, so I think that could be a cute option as well. Now the interior lining of this bag is microfiber like the original Pochette Metis, and here, I don't know if you can see it, but this one is made in France. I know that that's important to some people. I don't mind as much where they're made, but I know some people really love to get made in France pieces from Louis Vuitton. I do like the microfiber lining. In my Pochette Metis, I've had a couple of spills and I was able to easily wipe it and clean it out. So I do appreciate that. I don't think it always has to be a leather lining interior, and it does make the bag lighter. Now inside of the bag, we have two interior compartments. Again, they're microfiber lined, and then in the middle here we have a zip pocket if you want to have things a little bit more secure, smaller items. And then back here, there is another little pocket. There is like the barcode, and then there's a little card where you can scan a QR code, and it tells you about the care of the bag as well as what the bag is made of. Then on the back, we have a zip pocket, just like on the original Pochette Metis size. It does have the same lock mechanism that the original Pochette Metis bag has, and you just close it by popping it in like so, and it locks. One of the things that I like about this bag is that there is no vachetta or vachetta leather on it. You have the same leather pieces on the top and here on the details that you do for the rest of the bag. This is my first Empriente leather piece, and I think the color is beautiful. They do have this piece in stock online at the moment, so if you are interested in ordering this bag from Louis Vuitton, you can. You also have the option of using the store locator on their website, so if you do want to purchase this in person but you want to see where they have it before making a drive anywhere, that is an option. I personally love being able to order things online though. I love the convenience of that. Now here on the side, we do have like the dark glazing. I know in the past bags from Louis Vuitton have had issues when it comes to this, so I haven't personally seen any cracks or anything like that on my bag, so I guess only time will tell. Now, even though this is a mini bag, it is pretty spacious, and I know one of the questions that people always have about these smaller bags is, does a larger iPhone fit? I have a Pro Max phone right here, and I can tell you that it's going to fit without any issues. Even if you have like a bigger case, there's plenty of room there to fit the phone.
Here I am wearing the bag crossbody with the long strap. I'm 5'2" and I'm about a size 10, and I'm wearing a bulky sweater, so with all of that considered, it's hitting me right at the hip. I think this could be a great length for a petite person or maybe an average height person. If you're very tall, it might be a little short on the strap, so if you can try it on in the store, I would recommend that.
My next video will be a comparison video between this and the original size of the Pochette Metis. So if you're thinking of getting this bag or the original size, or torn between the two sizes, that video I think will be very helpful for you. This is an absolutely gorgeous bag. I'm so glad that I picked it up in the Empriente leather. Up until now, for the last few years, I've only had the original Pochette Metis and then some like toiletry pieces from Louis Vuitton. So I'm very glad to add this to my collection. Let me know in the comments below if you have this bag. This is also a bag that I would recommend buying new from the store or the website. I checked out some of the pre-loved websites, and for some reason this bag is retailing for above retail, sometimes even like $1,000 more, which I don't think it's worth it. It's in stock in the store, so there's no reason to buy it pre-loved. Again, I'll link this bag down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, especially if you are looking for that comparison video. It will be up soon. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.